In this video, we go to a BMX track. The Slash goes fast and catches some air. Mitchell lands on its roof.
Oh, I landed on the roof.
And dents it. The Slash catches some more air.
Oh dear.
And brakes. And the Hobby King special breaks as well.
Yeah, that's broke.
Alright guys, how you doing? It's a Tuesday and we're off to the local BMX track. Everyone else is at work, but we're out having fun. So guys, if you want to be able to do the same, set up your own business, perfect way to start is eBay. And if you need a little bit of extra guidance, have a look in the link in the description guys, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So just to quickly show you what's possible, here's my eBay earnings in the last year. And obviously that's not profit, around about a third of that is profit. So in dollars, we're looking at around about $100,000 in profit. And I'm not saying that to show off, I'm just to show you what's possible. And I'm not a super smart guy, I'm just an average guy. Just wants to have a little bit of fun, play with RC cars, and just not going after work for the big man every single day. Alright guys, let's go and have some fun. Here's a BMX track, it was snowing. Here's the Slash, and we got the, what is it, Rattler?
Yeah, Hobby King Rattler.
Hey. Challenge is you got to get in without touching the car. You're not allowed to pick it up. Oh, that's easy.
Right, next challenge.
You broke it already?
The shock.
Oh, where?
That's all it's done is pop the top off.
Is that the Hobby King special? Oh, I'm gonna crash! Oh, you screw it back on?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, I landed on the roof.
See, brakes are full on and it just goes like that anyway. Oh!
Oh dear.
It's only two-wheel drive. But the front shafts are there. ESC's hanging out. I don't know what's broke. Oh, just the grub screws come loose, that's all. That's an easy fix. So I've got that grub screw back on, so we should be good to go.
Tumble wumble.
Oh, something's bent. Something's bent, dude.
I wouldn't say it's bent, I'd say something's broken. I can see it hanging off.
Yeah, that's broke.
Oh.
Oh no, I killed it! Oh, that's not one of them heavy duty axles. Oh, it is, look! That's one of them heavy duty Traxxas axles. So, what I've got to do now is get a full set of MIPs. Oh! That's the end of that. That TSM makes it so much easier to drive. Oh! Oh, that BMX track dirt under here. So I'm going to have to find a better way of holding this ESC down. That's come away. The drive shaft, that was just a grub screw. So if all I've got to do is put a little bit of Loctite in there, that should solve that problem. This is the RPM rear bumper. That broke. So yeah, I'm not going to be getting them again. I'm going to put the standard Traxxas one back on there, much stronger. The front one hasn't broken yet, even though I have been told they do get ripped off. So I'm probably going to put this back to standard. Other than that, she's looking pretty good. I mean, I've still got the standard plastic shafts on the front. And these are the heavy duty Traxxas ones on the back. And people have warned me against them. They said don't buy them, but yeah. I guess I found out the hard way. So MIPs it is. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys.